I think it's already obvious what type of kick I'm on at the moment. That is the wooden collection from the non and only Toys R Us. I've already reviewed the London Grand Finale set. That set is just epic. And today I'll be doing an unboxing of two classic wooden cars that I got from Vinted from the US. Cost me about £20. This is the Submarine Fin and Acer Torch set. Obviously, they just label them as Mcmissile and Acer. This is actually sort of new. Well, it is still brand new, but it is missing the outer bubble, if you know what I mean. I'll throw an image on your screen of what that does look like. But yeah, the wooden collection, man. The original wooden collection from 2011 to 2016 was just some of the coolest cars. I wish I started collecting them ages ago, but yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the package. And here it is. It just looks really cool. We got the original Toys R Us logo there, or just the R logo with the copyright. Obviously, I love how the copyright R is facing to the right, when it would have been funny if they faced that to the left there. But you can see here Mcmissile and a piece of the wooden track. Obviously, this is like the same stuff as the wooden Thomas collection. Man, that brings back memories as well when I was a really young child and I was collecting that stuff. But yeah, here we can see the Acer and Submarine Fin. Obviously, there is some other copyright information there on the bottom. I don't know what that 5- is. But yeah, we can see here the Porta Corsa in the background. And on the back, the barcode, if some of you are interested. And obviously we got it there in a bunch of other languages with the Toys R Us logo. And there is that warning hazards, etc. So that is it for the packaging. And now I guess I'm going to have to cut, because this is going to be really difficult. I do have scissors, but yeah, let's just cut to these guys when they're out of the packaging. Okay, kid you not, that took about 5 minutes to take out the packaging. The main reason why is because they have these stupid cable things here, and obviously here. But Thin Mcmissile, if you look at his base, you connected those things underneath the wheels, which was impossible to take off, because on Acer here, they were like cable tied around his wheels, and they were very much easier to take off than Finn. So yeah, very annoying. But here we are, taking a close look at the wood collection now, and I gotta say, they look really cool. And first glances, I have nothing wrong with them. They look, again, taking them out of the packaging, they had that fresh wood smell. Remember back in the day when you walked through Toys R Us and you walked through their learning centre section and it smelled of wood? Like, oh, that smell, oh, that is such a cool smell. Like, if you guys know what I mean, you know what I mean. So, let's first of all take a close look at Acer. So, does he... Oh, that's just... Does that... No, it doesn't. So, that's a downgrade immediately. His torch here doesn't come up, which does suck. But you can see here the headlights, and obviously the expression is really cool. And I do actually have the diecast version here of Acer Torch to compare him with. Obviously, this is the Wood Toys R Us collection version. You can see the difference here. It would have been cool if they'd done the eyes a little bit like that. Obviously, the green is more green, like it is in the movie. You can see the door there on the side with some scratches. Not sure how accurate those are. Yep, you can see the line in there as well. And you can see the back, which is the torch gas flamey sort of thing that they use. Gas canisters, helium, that sort of stuff. But yeah, there you go. You guys can see the base here, like I've showed you already. Pacer trademark. We've got Maidenhead again. 5F5E677 13611. There is that. So there is a look at Acer now. I'm going to move him to the side actually, show you guys Finn Mcmissile. And I feel like I got a sneeze on the way, but let's just push through anyways. So yeah, here is Finn. I do like that expression of him. Looks like, really smug. Obviously, you got like this metallic glittery paint there on the front as well. You can see that through your camera. Expression. He's a lot lighter than Acer though. You can see here where his wheels would, move, I suppose. Which again is weird, because why has he got 4 wheels on the base there. I guess that's just to moving around on the wood track. But yeah, you can see there the regular fin, and obviously the tail fins on the back, spare tyres. 314 Finn Michael Caine Mcmissile license plate with the lights, etc. And obviously, like I've shown you guys already, the base for this guy. So here is a quick 360 of him next to his die-cast version. Obviously there is a breather version, which I do have brand new in packaging still. That is just incredibly rare. You can see the expression is different. Obviously, yeah, this is more accurate to the movie because, you know, as you can see there, the wheels are missing. There, just on the back, which looks again really cool. I do like how Toys R Us have done the different route here, these wheels still being there, obviously for the playability, but you know, again, really weird stuff. But there is a look at Finn and Acer, obviously from the 2-pack from the Toys R Us wood collection. But now I'm going to show you guys my current wood collection, as it is ever growing. So here we have my current wood collection. As you guys can see, it is ever growing. We have the 2 World Grand Prix Lightning McQueen variants here, the metallic Cars 1 McQueen, Chick Hicks, the King, Mater, 2 different versions of Doc. Obviously this Doc here is the red wheels, and this one here is the grey silver wheels. We've got Sheriff, which is exclusive to the pack with metallic McQueen. Wooden DJ Boost and Winger. I do have DJ and Snowrod on the way. We have Chauncey first, and the 2 that I looked at today on the channel, Acer and Finn. If you guys like the wood collection, then don't forget to subscribe, because I will have more videos on these soon. And until the next video, peace everybody.